Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna look at this question where the diagram shows the curve y is equal to e to the power negative 1 over 2x squared times square root of 1 plus 2x squared for x greater than or equal to 0, and its maximum point m. Find the exact values of the x coordinate of the m. So as we know, whenever there is a maximum point, so to find that maximum point on the curve, we can find the first derivative of that curve, and by setting first derivative equal to 0, so we can solve for x, and from there we can get the values of x where it is maximum. Okay, so we will differentiate this. So we have equation of a curve y is equal to negative half x squared square root of 1 plus 2x squared. So here we can see it's a product, so we have to use the product rule of differentiation. So we can assume one of them as a u and another one as a v. So let's say we assume this as u and this as v. So u is equal to e to the power negative half x squared and v is equal to square root of 1 plus 2x squared. So now once we're going to differentiate here, so du by dx is equal to, so exponential it stays as it is, and then we have to make the derivative of the power. So once we're going to make the derivative of power, so it will become negative half will stay as it is, but derivative of x squared will become 2x. So this 2 and this 2 is going to cancel out, so that means the final answer to this is negative x e to the power of negative half x squared. Okay, in the same manners, once we will differentiate v, so that's mean dv by dx is equal to, so this can be written as whole to the power of half. So that's mean half will go in the beginning when we apply the power rule, so inside will stay as it is, and we subtract 1 from the power. As you remember, when we apply the power rule, so the power will go in the beginning and we subtract 1 from the power. So half minus 1, so it will become negative half, and then we need to make the derivative of inside, so which is derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of 2x squared is 4x. So once we will simplify, so this will become 2x over square root of 1 plus 2x squared. So now we know the derivatives. So if we know the derivatives, so we can apply the product rule here. Okay, so once we apply the product rule, so that's mean dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So now from here we know u is e to the power of negative half x squared and dv by dx is 2x over square root of 1 plus 2x squared plus v will stay as it is, and u is du by dx is negative x e to the power of negative half x squared. So from here we look at this one, so there x is common in both, and then e to the power of negative half x squared is common. So if we take out this as a common, so this will be x e to the power of negative half x squared. And then from here when we take x and e to the power half as a common, so we will left over with 2 over square root of 1 plus 2x squared, and then negative sign negative times positive is negative, so x and this part is already out, so we will only left over with 1 plus 2x squared. So if we further simplify this, so x e to the power negative half x squared will stay as it is, and here if we take the least common multiple, so which is root 1 plus 2x square, so now here we will get 2 minus, so this will become 1 plus 2x square. Since to make the same denominator, we multiply here with the 1 square root of 1 plus 2x square in the numerator and denominator. So once we multiply in the numerator, so this square root will cancel out and we will come up with only 1 plus 2x square. So now, so from here we can write as dy by dx is equal to x e to the power negative half x squared, and here this will become 2 minus 1 minus 2x squared, so 2 minus 1 will become 1 minus 2x squared over square root of 1 plus 2x squared. So now we already found the first derivative, and now since we know it's a maximum point, so to find the value of that maximum point m, we need to set first derivative equal to 0. So once we set first derivative equal to 0, so that means x e to the power negative half x squared times 1 minus 2x squared over square root of 1 plus 2x squared is equal to 0. From here, as we know, this whole is equal to 0, so that means x is equal to 0, or e to the power of negative half x squared is equal to 0, or 1 minus 2x squared over square root of 1 plus 2x squared is equal to 0. Since we know from here denominator cannot be equal to 0, so we can set the numerator equal to 0, so which means 2x squared is equal to 1, x squared is equal to 1 by 2, so which means x is equal to plus minus 1 over root 2. So we get this value and this value, and even though if we solve this one, so here ln of 0, so we can further simplify these, but here it says what is it, x greater than or equal to 0, so that means that this value, not from here, and from here we get two values, which is x is equal to negative 1 over root 2 or x is equal to 1 over root 2. So not even this value, so the only possibility which is greater than or equal to 0 is this one, because here for x greater than or equal to 0, so x is greater than x is equal to 1 over root 2, that is the solution or x coordinate of m. So that's what we're supposed to find in this question. Hope you understood the concept, and thanks for watching.